In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a worksheet tab from your Excel spreadsheet quickly and easily. So the first thing you need to do is you come down and identify the tab that you want. So make sure you click on it. So all you need to do is come down to the worksheet tab that you want to remove or delete. Click once with your right mouse key and choose delete, and it will automatically disappear. Another alternative is to click on the worksheet tab, come up to the ribbon and choose delete sheet. Either way, you'll delete the worksheet tab in your existing Excel spreadsheet.